students, I hope you are enjoying this video on VBA for Beginners series. So till now I have completed 16 example and this is the 17th example. So 17th example, what is the code here? The purpose of code here is convert text to uppercase, right? So I'll copy this code here and then paste it in this VBA editor. So this is for the example number. I'm starting with single quote to make this as a command line which will not be executed by the code. Example 8 or 17, okay. VBA for beginners. Right. So what this is going to do, in cell A1, whatever values are, this is going to change this uppercase of range A1 dot value. Okay. So the syntax you should be aware what how it is this. So it is very easy to understand. Only the normal English only is being used. U case means it is not a normal English, but you have to understand from coaching people coaching like me. Okay, U case means uppercase. Everything is going to be uppercase. So in A1 of the active cell, it is going to be there. So I'll just select it here. Sheet number 2. So in A1, you are able to see this PRABHKAR, it is there with. So I'll remove this P with this small p I'm just putting. Okay. So PRABHKAR, which is my name, which is going to be changed all this in uppercase. So keeping in this place, I'm just running it and checking now this all are changed to uppercase. So this is the purpose of this particular code. Same way, if you want this lowercase, then you have to change it to L case like this. Okay. So now I'm running it now. Everything is changed to L case. Okay. So the original learning was for U case. Running it now, everything is changed to uppercase. Right? Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.